Hi, I'm Erin Sullivan, and I look forward to seeing you at the Cutter Summit. Change, or really exponential change, happened overnight. Healthcare, which is sometimes a bit slow to change, was not immune. In fact, some say the changes that happened in healthcare in the past 18 months would have taken 10 years without the context of the pandemic. We are going to dive deeply into examples of leading through and out of disruption to understand what has worked for healthcare leaders and organizations. We will also talk about what organizations learned that is sticking and where backsliding, or reverting to the way things were done before, is happening. I look forward to our conversation during the Cutter Summit.